Okay, another debate. Where in hell did they find these freaks? Do I deserve this? Why?
We need soldiers on the US-Mexican border. The Mexicans are coming. Good God. Be afraid. Very afraid.
True, I make over $50,000 a day. Okay, so I'm the 1%. But bankers are people too. They work hard to invest your money and to steal your house. It's America.
I resent anyone looking into my private affairs. And Governor Romney doesn't like Latinos. Leave me alone. I'll kick your ass from here to Massachusetts. Just back off.
Newt is a punk. Everyone knows it. He tells us he can run the country, but he can't even control his women. What a shame.
Just wait. When I rule my own planet, you'll be sorry. We'll stage an invasion from our base on the moon. I'll rule the entire universe. Control the galaxy. You'll see.
Mr. Speaker, you're totally insane.
Okay, I'm glad you had your cute little back and forth banter. Now, can we get on with it? Work with me, okay? It's not easy with a bunch of lunatics.
What about gay marriage? And, God, guns, gays? Those are my strong points. I'm the most religious man here. Let's all pray.
Let's not. Religion has no place in politics. If you want theocracy, go to Iran. You'll love it. Time for a break, so I can get drunk. Our sponsor is the National Bank of China.